You search for how to buy shares of Smartfinancial Inc., and this short guide will walk you through the practical steps. Smartfinancial Inc. is a regional bank and financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SMBK, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SMBK to find the company listing. Select the result that matches Smartfinancial Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Double-check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker SMBK to confirm it's the right security. Tap or click Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For more details and the example link, check the description below.